In this video, you will see how to find and replace in Word online. To find and replace in Word, you need to click here on the View tab. The option is available under the View tab. After clicking on the View, you will not directly find the Find and Replace option, but you will see this option Navigation. After clicking on the option, now you will see here the option of Replace. Just click on the tab and you will see here search for. So we will search here, for example, how to, and as you can see the word has been highlighted. And if I want to replace with how do I, just enter what you want to replace with in the next box and then click on replace. Clicking replace will replace only one word, but if you want to replace all the words at once in the entire document, then just click on replace all. But be careful with this option. So as you can see, now we have how do I, and in this way you can find and replace in Word online. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to Word online. See you again in the next one.